Hey everyone, Lindsey here, back with another episode of Weekly Whimsy. Here we are going to discover the forefront of Web3 innovations, so if you're ready, let's jump in. Our Discord community is buzzing with over 3,710 total members. If you haven't yet, join the conversation and see what all the excitement is about. In our social media post of the week, we dove into gateway access controls. For those seeking to understand this concept better, our thread is the perfect starting point. Don't forget to follow us on Twitter and stay updated with some exciting news and a touch of humor. In this week's Powered by Pinata, we will be highlighting Magic Link. At the forefront of Web3 innovation, Magic Link is revolutionizing how we interact with wallets and NFTs. They've developed a wallet-as-a-service solution, simplifying the user experience by replacing traditional seed phrases and browser extensions with seamless Web 2 logins. Their technology integrates effortlessly with applications, offering passwordless onboarding and authentication using Magic Links. It's a game changer for both users and developers in the ever-evolving landscape of SaaS applications. I've got an exciting product release to share with you guys, Bulk File Actions. This feature is a response to your requests for a more efficient way to manage files. Now you can easily handle up to 100 files at once, whether you need to unpin, download, or manage multiple files. This new tool makes the process quick and convenient. Moving on to tips and tricks, let's explore the peer-to-peer layer versus gateways in IPFS. Imagine going to a website and getting something completely different from what you expected. Frustrating, right? IPFS tackles this problem head-on with its peer-to-peer layer, ensuring that what you access is exactly what you're looking for. This technology paves the way for a more reliable and efficient internet, reducing ambiguity and enhancing trust online. And with that, we wrap up this week's Weekly Whimsy. If you enjoyed what I talked about today, please show some support by hitting the like and subscribe buttons down below. In the meantime, I hope you have a great rest of your week and happy pinning. Bye guys!